This is example number 12, the trapezoid question from our maximum minimum problem section. Just want to kind of help you get started with this problem. Finding the area of a trapezoid is not something that we do very often, but it is kind of like a triangle in a sense, or like a combination between triangle and rectangle. We have two bases. We have the parallel sides that are separated by a height. So the area of a trapezoid is the average of your two base lengths and times that by the height. So when I drew my diagram, I drew the parabola, which was y equals 4 minus x squared. So that's kind of key, is that I want to make sure I can draw y equals 4 minus x squared as my parabola. And I know just doing some algebra, my x-intercepts are at plus or minus 2. So if y is 0, x squared equals 4, x equals plus or minus 2. So I know I'm crossing on the x-axis at plus and minus 2. What I have to figure out, though, is where my trapezoid is at the height of my parabola. So again, if we think about points being an x and y value, all of our points are an x and y value. All we're doing is we are basically substituting for the y value as 4 minus x squared. So I have 2 points at the same height that are 4 minus x squared high. So the y value is the parabola height. And now I have to figure out what is my formula for finding my area. So my bottom base is a length of 4. I'm going from negative 2 on the left to positive 2 on the right. So my bottom base is 4. And my top base, I'm going to go x to the right and x to the left. So my top base is 2x. So I find the average of 4 plus 2x divided by 2. And the height is my y value, which was 4 minus x squared. So that is how we set up that question.